Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable or disable your Safari web browser from your iPhone. If you disable this, your Safari will automatically disappear from your homepage. So how do you do that? So in order to do that, you need to go to your settings, and from here you need to go to screen times. After coming to screen times, you need to go to these options, content and privacy restriction. And after coming to this website, you go to allowed apps, and from here you can see Safari. This is currently enabled. What you need to do is just tap here once and this will be disabled. And if you wait for some time, and as you can see, this the Safari browser is still here, and now as you can see it has disappeared. And now in order to make this enable, you just need to come to this page again, then just enable it and wait for some time. Let's wait for some time, and after like a couple of seconds, as you can see, the browsing application is still is has appeared.